Hi, my name is Cindy, aka Z9designs. Today we're going to make bowls out of ribbon. We're making a messy bow, a floppy bow, and a wire ribbon bow, and they're all easy. So keep watching for some inspiration. DIY number one, a floppy bow. And the supplies needed include satin ribbon, wire, and some hot glue. I saw how this bow was made and I thought it was a unique way of making a simple floppy bow, and it only takes minutes to make this bow. And I am all about making things easy. So here I took 22 inches of satin ribbon that is about 2 inches wide, and all you have to do is make a figure 8, and it kind of looks like a racetrack. Then you will bring one end to the middle of the ribbon and the other end to the middle also, so you have the two ends of the ribbon on top of each other. Now you can either clip these or pin them to the middle until you get it all together. Then you gather the middle, and you can use a clamp or whatever to hold it together until you get together. I had to use wire because I didn't have any pipe cleaners. Then you take a piece of ribbon approximately 4 inches and fold it on itself. And then you're going to wrap that around the middle of the bow. And then you can hot glue that in the back of the bow. Now, sometimes with holding it, it can be pretty hot, so you may need to have those little finger protectors. They have them, I know, at the Dollar Tree. I didn't have them on my fingers, but hey, next time I'll have them on there. Next, you can cut 2 strips of ribbon about 9 inches in length, and then you hot glue them together at an angle because you want one going to the left and one going to the right. And the last step is to make a notch in each tail, or you can even cut them at an angle for a put together look. And last, you can hot glue or you can pin it to your wreath. I happen to have an off-white pom-pom wreath, and the color just looks so snazzy on that wreath. This is a nice color of blue for any reason, for any season. Hey, and at this point, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I appreciate all of you. DIY number 2, a messy bow. Now the supplies needed include several types of ribbon, few jewelry pieces, some hot glue, and wire. Now a messy bow starts out with a variety of ribbons. They can be various widths, various colors, and patterns. In addition, it depends on how big you want your bow. You want it small? Do you want it little? I have several examples that you can see. I cut various pieces of ribbon about 9 inches in length, and I used different patterns that I thought, well, this looks good together. And then I laid my ribbon in a crisscross shape. In other words, each ribbon was going in a different direction, like an X. And you just stack them up. Now, this is not rocket science as long as you get them crisscross. So I had some wire and I just put it in the middle, kind of scrunch it up, and begin to wrap and twist and tie it off so it wouldn't all come apart. And then I dovetailed the ends of this one. Someone gave me some jewelry pieces, so I took an old-fashioned clip-on earring and placed it in the middle. I said, oh, this looks so good. And so I can remove it and put it on something else if I want to, but you can hot glue it where it can be, on there permanently. The other one is unique and we'll show it at a later date on a wreath or something else. If I need to, I can add to it. That's the nice thing about it. It may not look real full now, but hey, I can add to it later. All I have to do is unclip the earring, clip the wire, and add more ribbon to it. So let's learn how to DIY bows. Easy Step by Step is a collaboration hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and At Home with Lisa. Also in this, there's Debbie Bubbles, Design with Emma, Jennifer at Home, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, This is Aria, and me, Z9designs. So be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and save. DIY number 3, double wire ribbon bow. The supplies needed include 2 different kinds of ribbon. I chose plaid and a plain wire ribbon and just some wire. I love the look that wire ribbon gives when you can fluff it out and make it look beautiful. I don't have a large stash of pretty ribbon, so I used what I had from my stash. I wanted to do fall because it is just right around the corner, and all you need for this one is 2 different wire ribbons. I found some plaid wire ribbon and some green wire ribbon, and it kind of went together. So the plaid was slightly larger than the green ribbon, so I'm going to combine them. So I put the plaid ribbon on the bottom and the plain ribbon on top because it was, a little bit smaller. And it looks like you're making 1 bow, but you're actually making 2 bows. And so you start out by making loops, but you need to figure out how long you want the tail to be. After that, you just make a loop, and then you make another loop on top of that one. Make sure you hold it really tight at the bottom because it will all come apart if you don't. And then you make another loop, and so on until you have 5 loops or more. I just stopped at 5. And as you can see, I am still holding the bottom tight. I took my wire and I wrapped it around and I twisted and I pulled it as tightly as I could because I didn't want it to come apart because I wanted it to be really secure. I can begin pulling my ribbon apart, and that is going to form the bow. I pull the green to one side and the plaid to the other side. Next, I put the plaid to one side and the green to the other side. In other words, you want to alternate the ribbon. And make sure this is nice and full. I think it turned out pretty good. Lastly, you can tie that to a basket. You can put it in a flower arrangement like I did, or a wreath. Hey, it is simple, easy, and it looks pretty good. I hope you like this simple tutorial, and thanks for joining me. If you have liked this bow making collaboration, please subscribe to my channel and join in the fun. My channel is growing, and keep on watching and follow me on social media, Instagram, Threads, TikTok. And thanks for watching. I appreciate all of your comments and support. And remember, joy is what happens to us when we allow ourselves to recognize how good things really are. This is by Marianne Williamson. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.